Hi, today we are going to learn how to use your phone's microphone as your PC's microphone. So let's go to Google Play Store and search for microphone, and you should select the microphone app created by Gus Davidson. This one. Press enter, press install and accept. Wait for the installation to complete. After installation is done, you should open it. Press backwards. Okay. Now you should see a microphone icon in the middle of the screen, and you should press on it, and it should turn red, and now your microphone is active. Now we will connect our phone to our PC. We are going to use a auxiliary cable like this one to connect our phone to our PC. You can find it on any dollar store. Use the gold plated ones, it works better. Now let's go to PC, control panel, sound, and go to recordings. Your microphone should appear here, and it's working. To test it out, let's go to let's find a voice recorder and record a voice. It should work like a charm. So see you next time. Till then, goodbye.